K-Hall Open House is just meant to be a celebration of all the hands-on activities that the kids do out in K-Hall.
All the rooms are involved, and from ROTC, robotics, shop, industrial graphics, clay fundamentals, we have photography, airbrush, drawing and painting.
Some of my pieces are here, and I just like participating in it, you know, just like showing up, you know, get to see other people's art and just kind of get, you know, gather ideas, and then I put my art in there just for other people to see it and get their ideas out of it, you know, see what they can come up with, and just, I like doing it, you know, it's just fun. Yeah.
Other teachers will check out too, and just a variety of different people, but it's open to anyone.
I visit all of them, you know, because I just because I'm just an artist. I like drawing, I like taking pictures and everything, you know, photography, and it's just, art's calming in a way, you know, so that's why I like visiting other places. It gives me inspiration to do a lot of it.